If you want to copy and paste the text of an image inside of Windows, it got really easy, and that is using the snipping tools. Join me in this quick tutorial and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now you can go into the search bar and type snipping to open the snipping tools. Once you have it open and you have the picture that have the text that you want to copy, you want to click into new. Now you can select what part of the picture or image you want to copy. And now that you have it into the snipping tool, you are going to see this right here, text actions. Click into it. And this is going to select all the text automatically for you. All that you have to do left is to click into copy all text. Once you have done that, you can go into your text editor or wherever you want to paste the text. Let's say, for example, the notepad. And you want to right click anywhere empty and select paste. And now the text from that image, you can copy it. So easy is that. Thanks for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to drop a like and to subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye. If you want to copy and paste the text of an image inside of Windows, if you want to copy and paste the text of a meme, if you want to copy and paste the image